Welcome to our motorhome story. Today, we're stepping into the future of luxury travel. Something so massive, so over-engineered, that it doesn't just change how you see RVs, it redefines what a home can be. Meet the 2026 Aurora Titan X, the world's first three-floor luxury motorhome mansion. Forget what you know about RVs. This isn't a camper. This isn't even just a bus. This is a rolling smart skyscraper on wheels, and it's ready to blow your mind. Let's start outside. The Aurora Titan X looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. Wrapped in polished titanium panels, this beast features panoramic glass balconies that extend on both sides and an illuminated grille that doubles as a dynamic display screen. Yes, you can stream your name or even a welcome message across the front of your motorhome. The laser-cut LED headlights look like eyes of a futuristic jet, while integrated solar wings unfold from the roof, harvesting power wherever you park. Now, step inside and let's take this tour floor by floor. Level 1. This is the foundation of freedom. A drive-in garage large enough to swallow a full-size SUV or two motorbikes. Alongside it, a fully automated gear bay with 3D printed storage racks, a water purification hub, and a laundry system that washes, dries, and folds your clothes automatically. And yes, there's even a compact gym with a rowing machine, treadmill, and smart mirrors that guide your workout. The first floor isn't just practical, it's industrial luxury at its finest. Level 2. Welcome to the heart of the mansion. This is where you live, cook, and entertain. The chef's kitchen is straight out of a penthouse suite. Granite countertops, dual induction stoves, a robotic cooking assistant, and a climate-controlled wine cellar with holographic labeling. The dining space merges into a cinema-style living room featuring Italian recliners, a built-in fireplace, and a 120-inch transparent OLED wall that flips between TV, interactive art, and panoramic live cameras from outside. Mood lighting and voice-controlled systems mean every second feels like first class. Level 3. Here's where luxury meets the skies. This is your master suite in the clouds, a king-size bed with adaptive comfort tech, a walk-in wardrobe with climate control, and a spa-inspired bathroom featuring a rainfall infinity shower with glass walls that tint at your command, plus heated marble floors. And the showstopper? A rooftop sky deck with a retractable glass dome, built-in hot tub, and stargazing pods. Imagine sipping champagne above the desert or watching the northern lights through your glass ceiling. But don't be fooled by the beauty. This beast has the muscle to match. The Aurora Titan X packs a 1,500 horsepower hybrid engine paired with an autonomous driving system, meaning you can either take the wheel or let the AI chauffeur you across continents. Add in air suspension, 5G smart connectivity, satellite internet, and 3,000 watts of solar capacity, and you're looking at a vehicle designed to live off-grid indefinitely. So the real question is, would you trade your house for this three-story rolling mansion of the future? Because with the Aurora Titan X, your address isn't on a street, it's anywhere on the planet. If this insane motorhome blew your mind, hit that like button, subscribe to our motorhome story, and turn on notifications, because next week we're showing you a double-decker off-road motorhome that transforms into a luxury smart villa.